Today, Stevie and I are going to cook up a very cozy meal that we love. Let's do this.
There's so many noises. What's up, peeps? Your boy's on a covert op today. That's right, I gotta go get the supplies for the turkey chili. You heard it right. Let's go to the store. We got the list. I got the best freaking wife. When I looked at this list, I didn't first see this. Love you, Bubba. Girl, you better stop playing with me. Grocery list, Czechoslovakian. Oh, honey, I'm home.
You get everything?
I got it all. And I noticed your little note that you put on there said, love you, Bubba. That was,
Aww.
give me something.
I like it when you notice this.
I noticed. Now let's cook.
Step 1, you want to cut up your bell pepper.
Now it's my turn to cut the onion, but I'm a Cheeto. I use the chopper. Put it in, and all you do is chop it.
Oh my gosh.
Just like that.
I just know, where did you get it? People are going to ask.
I probably most likely
Oh, easy.
got it.
It's still enough.
Amazon.
Stevie.
You just get the...
We all know where you
You
get
take all your onion, then you go...
I like everything to kind of be the coat. I like the base of the pan to kind of be coated in the olive oil. We're gonna set the stove now on medium-high heat. So you're gonna grab your ground turkey and you're just gonna add it into the mix. Ground turkey is so lean that you can't go wrong by adding like an extra pound, if you ask me.
Oh, 2 pounds. Mix that mix up.
I think this is what makes it so delicious, is just the combination of these spices. It's gonna bring the turkey chili to life. Ooh, it's raining herbs. Hallelujah, it's raining herbs. La la la. Tired. Where are you going? Get your butt here. You're so dumb. I cannot. After I drained some of the juice out of the petite diced tomato cans, I just pour them in.
I gotta say, this isn't the most attractive looking meal.
But it's so
right
delicious.
now.
So we're just gonna stir that in. I really love the chicken broth. If you have an extra one, you can even pour a little bit more. It makes the chili more watery, a little bit more watery in consistency, so that it's not like super thick, like you're just eating a pot of meat. There's something about the consistency of this salsa that I just love how it really thickens the chili and just brings out the flavor. In mild or medium, but mostly mild because Stevie can't handle the heat.
You're scary.
So now you just gotta wait for it to all come together. Once it comes to a boil, I just turn the heat on more on the low side. And you just keep an eye on it and you stir it. And this guy should be ideally ready anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes.
Think we could do for maybe 30 or 45 minutes, Sassy?
The voice and I got that flow. For all the girls, gotta let them know we the ones that run this show.
2, 3.
This is not a workout class, Saz.
I'm so excited right now because I finally
I don't
get to
understand.
I get to put my chili bowl. Literally, this is for chili. It's a soup tureen.
Oh my.
So this is specifically, I got it for turkey chili. That's how much we make it.
Saz, you got this genie lantern just for turkey chili.
Yes, it's perfect. Look.
Oh my goodness.
Things like this make me happy.
I do not understand.
It's so
But I'm happy for you.
So one of my favorite things about this meal, y'all, is the toppings that we get to add into our bowls. So we've got avocados, we've got fresh cilantro diced up, some lactose-free sour cream, and some cheese. Stevie is gonna be having this nut cheese. I've said this before, this is literally my favorite brand to just like crush and crumble these chips on top of the chili, and it makes it just so much more vibrant and rich. All right, well, this was a really easy home-cooked meal that I decided to share with you all. It's so easy and so good. I really enjoy sharing recipes, so let me know below if you want to see more. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and until next time, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.